Black Myth Wukong Chapter 2 Guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to another Black Myth Wukong guide. Today we're tackling Chapter 2, where the action intensifies with new enemies and challenges. Let's break it down and help you navigate through this chapter. In Chapter 2, you'll face new enemies that require different strategies. Some enemies have shields or elemental attacks, so to switch up your tactics by using ranged attacks and transformations, you can win the fight. Timing your dodges and parrying to the right moment is crucial for survival. One key feature of Chapter 2 is the environment, so use it to your advantage. There are areas where you can lure enemies into traps and surprise them with aerial attacks. Keep an eye out for hidden paths and interactive elements that can help in combat or lead to secret areas. By now, you should be upgrading Wukong's abilities regularly, so head to the blacksmith to strengthen your staff and armor or unlock new skills. Some of the enemies in this chapter can be tough, so upgrading your abilities is a must. Chapter 2 ends with a challenging boss fight, so study the boss's attack patterns carefully. Make use of Wukong's transformations to deal damage in a creative way, and dodge the boss's powerful attacks. Patience and quick reflexes are key to winning this battle. And that's how you tackle Chapter 2 of Black Myth Wukong. Stay sharp, upgrade your gear, and use the environment to outsmart your enemies. For more tips on bosses and hidden secrets, check the description below. Thanks for watching.